Hello everyone, I am going to dictate you steno legal matter. Be ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. In the case before us, there is no room for controversy that a receiver should be appointed in respect of the whole estate. Stop. The plaintiff is already stated the owner of the one half share of the estate. Stop. He has attained majority, is a married man, and has a family to support. Stop. He is further engaged in this litigation and has to bear heavy expenses. Stop. If the defendant is directed to furnish security, the order would be of no avail to the plaintiff and would not afford him immediate relief in the least degree. Stop. If the defendant is directed to pay occupation rent, the plaintiff would be entitled to claim one half share of the income of the estate. Stop. But it would be difficult, if no impracticable, to carry out the order because the parties are hopelessly at variance a to the amount of the annual income, which has been estimated at figures varying from rupees 30,000 to rupees 50,000. Stop. If a receiver is appointed in respect of the one half share of the plaintiff, there will be obviously an immediate conflict between the receiver and the defendant, and the management of the estate will be completely paralyzed. Stop. Under these circumstances, the only feasible and practicable course which can be adopted without detriment to the parties is to appoint a receiver of the whole estate. Stop. Stanza. The next question for consideration is who should be appointed a receiver. Stop. As pointed out by this court in the case of Kali Kumari versus Bachchan Singh, one of the parties to a litigation should not ordinarily be appointed a receiver, and very exceptional circumstances must be established to justify the appointment of a party as receiver. Stop. In our opinion, in the present case, such grounds have been made out. Stop. The appointment of a stranger would mean the imposition of a heavy burden upon the estate, which is already encumbered, and it might also tend to dislocate the management. Stop. The defendant, on the other hand, has offered to accept the appointment as receiver in the court decides that a receiver should be appointed. Stop. He has further agreed to bring into court rupees 10,000 within 2 weeks from his date for payment to the plaintiff. He has also consented to bring into court rupees 10,000 a year in 4 equal installments for payment to the plaintiff. In the case on hand, also no such material has been produced regarding the service of notice to the accused by under certificate posting stop over.